Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Savrambai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: the dumping of garbage in and around Jowai poses health threat to the public. Late JH Lingdo knockout cricket tournament gets underway at Mauro High Secondary School playground. Mau Padang Vendrame Institute organizes a unique program on culture. And Meghalaya's fashion designer Ibalarihun Malay to participate at the Fashion Design Council of India Lakme Fashion Week in New Delhi. And now the news in detail. The Vendrame Institute, located at Mau Padang in the suburb of Shillong, organized a novel program on culture literacy for school and college students. The program, which is named Tip Yelaka Kolshor, is intended for the Khasi youth in order to familiarize them with the basics of Khasi culture and tradition and to inculcate in them the love and respect for their own culture as well as respect the others. The chief guest for the occasion was Pinyat Singh Same, local MLA of Maurinkaneng, and the other dignitaries consisted of Reverend Father George Zosiama, Vice Provincial of the Shillong Province, Shri Amos Duya, Sordar of Mau Padang, and Reverend Father Festus Shadap, Assistant Pastor of Pinthor Umkra Parish. The participants for the one-day program were students of St. Francis Assisi High Secondary School and Don Bosco Secondary School of Mau Kasyang and the Don Bosco Secondary School of Mau Padang. The chief guest in his message to the assembly lauded the unique venture of the institute under the direction of Father Barnes Mauri and encouraged the students to take keen interest in learning about one's culture, to love and preserve one's own customs and traditions. He promised that he would take utmost interest in promoting such an important and valuable initiative. The program, Tip Yelaka Kolshor, is intended to be a year-long, one-day course for different groups of students of Khasi Jaintia Hills. The dumping of garbage in and around Jowai, the district headquarters of West Jaintia Hills district, has increased and the stench emitted from the garbage is becoming unbearable and posing health threat to the citizens of the town encircled by crystal clear Mintru River. People do throw garbage along the roads but not on a large scale as seen in the last few months. The dumping of garbage all around the place of Jowai town started increasing when vehicles of Jowai Municipal Board stopped to collect the domestic garbage from the different localities of Jowai. Our correspondent who rounded Jowai town after receiving complaints of the gravity of dumping of garbage in this scenic hills town said that the garbage has been dumped in front of the signboards put up by the district authorities not to throw garbage. Speaking to the media, some people say that streams of Jowai are now covered by garbage and they are now finding their way to the sacred Mintru River. The Singh Samla Maulai Mauro, in collaboration with Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, today inaugurated the late JH Lingdo knockout cricket tournament at Mauro High Secondary School playground. The tournament was inaugurated by Binta Rani, wife of late JH Lingdo, and Marbo Dakhar in the presence of officials from MACS, the youths and players and supporters of different teams who take part in this cricket knockout tournament. Speaking at the inauguration program, Binta Rani, wife of late JH Lingdo, said that late Lingdo was the first from Maulai area to take initiative to promote cricket among the youth from Maulai and the state as a whole. There are 32 teams from different parts of Shillong and its adjacent areas who are participating in the knockout cricket tournament. After winning the toss, Kindram Lindan was able to score 83 runs with a fall of 5 wickets from 10 overs, and in reply, Staunch United was able to achieve 84 runs with a fall of only 3 wickets.
Kamat kapsat baklanya pibaro kam tam kini kenang penyat kenang pen continue ya kini kejingdon kini jat tournament kenang baka ki kena asam la kini mengat ha ki jingdi ki bathalah lai program lada ki ie ke sport kadai kata ke spirit chungki brio ke ba banat dut ni ki jingmut ceput khat banat ni ki jingpang banat ni ki kam thala baro khon ti ha baki yo ya kini ki jat jingila ka ki pelut ya kapor ya ladi ha kini ki kalong ke ke jing Mentoi nak kebentak yang kesem ni jong pi barok hot.
Meghalaya's fashion designer Ibalarihun Malai, who hails from Rat Nongplu of Ribhoi district, will participate in the Fashion Design Council of India Lakme Fashion Week in New Delhi to be held on the 25th of this month. Ibalarihun Malai is promoting her self-designed dresses made from silk through her brand name Kiniho, which has caught the attention in the fashion world at the national and international fora.
Kuble yepi baro ngade Ibalarihun Malai na Shillong Diwan Ribhoi district ngade tribe at designer ka Kiniho brand. Kaniga brand kade ka bapenmi ya ki eris designer wear kataya ki janyo India ki ba design ki balapenmi da ka bapenan kam ya karukom than bat shatrong penrai balapen hiat pateng na do menshwa ha ka dong bat than jongi harai nong plu kum ka we na ki lat ban kentiu bat ban sapriang ya kaniga brand bat ya kaniga karukom than tenrai nalai ju shim benta ha ki show ki ba per ha ki snem bale but mentau snempat nga ingo yo blay bangala shajet ban lek i kini ki jan design ki jonga shaka FDCI Lakme Fashion Week but kani ka show kan long ha ka apusan tarik March ha ka por khat ar baje man si ha New Delhi lumba ka jing yeshim benta ka jonga ha kani ka show ngan yo ya ka lat ban pen pau the om tang ya ka sap ka jonga nrei ru ya ka sap bat ka sat ten rai ha ka thain bat wi rong ya ki jan India ka badang don badang im ha ka shnong dibon umden but hagi wegi shnong harai nong plu but ki wegi jaka hagari Ribhoi district but haga jilla Meghalaya hi barok away.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.